Yun yan.
Patingin kung mag-champion kayo dyan. Ang gwapo ng model ah. Rowell's Custom Fencing. Sino yon? Sino yung Rowell's Custom Fencing na yun? Sino si Rowell? Ikaw ba yun? Pogi ah. Ayan na si Rowell. Ay bakit Jiro? Si Jiro pala yan, hindi si Rowell.
Hindi na Rowell.
Tingin din eh. Pogi ah. Mr. Pogi. Wala na, panalo na kayo. Buksan natin na yung kay Rowell na package from Philippines. Ito yung ano, pinagpadalhan ay yung DHL. Ito yung kanyang uniform o jersey ng kanyang basketball team. Ano sabi? Use the gunting. Pinaka-ano mo, dyan lang pala ang bukasan. Here. You open it there. Open the other.
24. Christmas card. This is card 20. 4.
Sino ba number 4?
Who's number 4?
Don't open if it's not yours. Just the alin sa'yo?
Number 9.
Number 9, get yours. Number 9.
8. That's Jen's. 24.
Meron ako yata dyan eh. Sabi ni Papa mo, pinagawa niya ako. Jiro. Ha? Jiro. I think this one. 48. Marami 47. Yan din, open mo dyan. Doon ka sa kabila. Ayos ah. Ayan o, yung bagong uniform nila. Rowell's Custom Fencing Engage, etc. Ayan. Nasaan yung shorts ba? Open mo yung shorts. Ayan. Dito ka banda. Ayan. Yung shorts. At yung sa akin, I think, hindi sa akin yung kay Papa mo. Let's go this one. Oh, you put it on down? Oh, stand. Put it on. Doon ka banda. And the shorts as well. You put the shorts on.
It's so big.
Yeah.
What? No, just do the
You put it on, take it off. You put it on.
Yeah.
Siyempre, you have to tuck in. Be. Talikod. Ay, grabe ang buhok mo, be. Itirintas mo yan. You put the shorts on to have a look.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, put it on. You tuck
How
in.
big the jersey is.
Put it on nga. You put it on. Have a look nga, be. Ostan.
I'll put it on here.
Ayan na si Jiro. Rowell's Custom Fencing. Ba't nakasalikod ang mata? Patingin kung mag-champion kayo dyan. Ang gwapo ng model ah. Rowell's Custom Fencing. Sino yon? Sino yung Rowell's Custom Fencing na yun? Sino si Rowell? Ikaw ba yun? Pogi ah. Ayan na si Ruel. Ay, bakit Jiro? Si Jiro pala yan, hindi si Ruel.
Hindi na Ruel.
Tingin din eh. Pogi ah. Mr. Pogi. Wala na, panalo na kayo.